Don't modify your Lamborghini if you don't want to lose money. You've spent big bucks modifying your AVENTADOR with aftermarket exhaust and carbon fiber aerodynamic pieces. Thinking that means you'll get a premium when it comes time to sell? You'd be wrong.
So in this video, we're going to be bringing a 2014 AVENTADOR back to stock and explain the reasons why someone would do this. The customer is planning on selling the vehicle and has decided to eat the hefty cost of labor to remove the modifications. It's a tough call to make. Spend over $5,000 unmodifying the car or risk lowering its resale value. But the truth is, most of the time, modifications will hurt the value of the vehicle. Of course, there's always exceptions, but potential buyers often want clean, unmolested, low-mileage examples of these vehicles. Modifications can signal the opposite to buyers willing to pay a premium price. They'll often look for unmodified cars, even if their intent is to do similar modifications. The AVENTADOR's V12 engine sounds great stock, but add an exhaust, it's one of the most incredibly intoxicating automotive sounds a modern vehicle can make. Putting exhaust on a Lambo is an extremely popular option because of this. And while we're always partial to our fabrication work, there are a multitude of options available to get your Lambo to scream. However, installing an exhaust isn't as simple due to the mid-engine design. The spoiler has to be removed, the rear bumper needs to come off just to access the exhaust for removal, and the spoiler also has to then be recalibrated electronically with specialized diagnostic tools. Now, on higher mileage vehicles, unmodifying a vehicle before sale isn't as crucial. These cars carry a lower premium because of the higher potential maintenance costs. So buyers looking for lower cost supercars might pay a bit more than book value for the higher mileage cars to get mods they were already planning at a discount. This is the time you might see a modded car go for a bit more than market. You can often resell these items to recoup some of the labor costs, but you'll almost always take a huge loss on the parts regardless of their actual mileage. Because of the limited market, you may have to hold on to these parts and wait for the right buyer to come along. Plus, exotic car owners often have very specific tastes that might not include your taste in aftermarket carbon aerodynamics, wheels, or exhaust. And it's because of this personalized nature, reselling takeoff aftermarket parts is often a huge pain in the butt.
So, should you unmodify your car before you sell it? That's why having a shop like FMU that's experienced in these markets is crucial. We have our finger on the pulse and will advise you on your options and costs. And while we'd love for you to spend money with us, having a happy long-term customer is way more important. If we arm you with the right information before you spend, you can trust that you're making the best decision. That's it for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. It helps the algorithm. It helps us get you more of this content and more information. Thanks a lot.